Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to talk about the GameStop NFT marketplace. I also want to talk about Adam Arons' proposal to collaborate with GameStop on this NFT marketplace and how loopring is going to be involved as well, and what impact this is going to have on AMC and loopring. So stay tuned and let's make some money. And now I want to dive straight in with the key information. So, GameStop confirms its NFT marketplace and calls on creators to request minting access now. You can see from this screenshot on the GameStop website, they've said calling all creators, request to be a creator on the GameStop NFT marketplace, and you can view a creator form and submit your details. As you can see, GameStop has overhauled the nft.gamestop.com landing page, including a banner inviting creators to request an invitation to join the NFT marketplace. Scrolling down, visitors will see a second call to creators. GameStop has also changed the colour of the text game on the site from purple to a pastel gradient, symbolic of Web3, representing GameStop's interest in the emerging metaverse industry. Now, when you submit a form on the GameStop website, you can either choose between being an independent artist or creator, and also a company or brand or game studio. So firstly, GameStop aren't being closed off to just already existing large projects, but also new up-and-coming projects as well. Now, loopring is also speculated to be one of GameStop's partners in the NFT marketplace, and while their Layer 2 wallet will allow for gas-free instant transactions on the platform, it needs to be bug-free and ready to support hundreds of thousands of eager users when the marketplace arrives. And just a week ago, on December 21st, Loopring began rolling out their Level 2 wallets to onboard the masses, leading the curious to wonder when to anticipate a marketplace launch. Now, the GameStop NFT marketplace ties in with Loopring even more. GameStop have just released a new job role for a product owner and head of Web3 gaming in Seattle. The requirements for this job role are to research and stay abreast of all new NFT and crypto projects and global gaming brands signaling interest in the metaverse and NFT market space, and to also understand and lead integrations with different blockchains and Ethereum Layer 2 environments, the exact same Layer 2 environments that Loopring are using as well. Now, the major players in the Level 2 space are Polygon or Matic, Loopring or LRC, OMG Networks or OMG, ZK Swap or ZKS, and also Scale or SKL. Obviously, the largest two of these being Loopring and also Polygon or Matic, and therefore it's very, very likely that it could be Loopring leading the charge. And obviously, as I've discussed before, there's been tons and tons of instances where GameStop is mentioned on the Loopring GitHub, and therefore it's more than likely that Loopring are the partner with GameStop. But how does AMC tie into all of this as well? If you didn't already know, you can currently get up to $250 in free Bitcoin just for signing up with BlockFi using the link in the description below and making your first deposit. When investing in crypto, most people just buy some Bitcoin and hold it in a wallet. But with BlockFi, you can also earn interest on your investments up to 9% per year, also paid in Bitcoin. That way you can continue to generate more and more and more Bitcoin. So not only capitalizing on the increase in the Bitcoin price, but also earning more and more. You can also get a rewards credit card with BlockFi as well, giving you up to 3.5% cash back on your purchases, also paid in crypto, so you can generate even more. And when you've generated a massive profit on your investment, instead of having to sell off your cryptocurrency and potentially missing out on the next run up, whether that's in Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Loopring or anything else, instead you can just take out a crypto backed loan with BlockFi. That way, if you need cash to meet your day-to-day expenditure, you can get that cash without having to sell off your crypto. Well, today Benzinga have just released a new article or new headline saying AMC CEO Adam Arons is reportedly pursuing GameStop partnership through GameStop's NFT marketplace platform. Now, I've also seen that Bloomberg have just reported the exact same article headline, and therefore I expect in a few hours this will be beefed out into a full article. But so why does Adam Arons want to partner with GameStop, and why does GameStop want to partner with Adam Arons? Well, AMC already have good experience in the NFT space. They've already issued 86,000 Spider-Man NFTs, they've already issued 20 Matrix NFTs, and they're soon to issue an I Own AMC NFT as well to all AMC shareholders registered with Investor Connect. And just a quick note, if you haven't already, be sure to sign up to Investor Connect by December 31st if you haven't already to get your free I Own AMC NFT. Not only do AMC have NFT experience, but also they're very obviously doing the right thing. One of the recent Spider-Man NFTs just sold for a record $16,394 or 35,000 wax tokens. Now that is significantly higher than a number of other NFTs that have been sold, but we have also seen registered sales over $1,000, $966, $1,400, and so on and so forth. Now I also think it makes sense for AMC to partner with GameStop because it will give AMC a place or a platform to issue future NFTs. Now I think GameStop will also want to work with AMC because AMC can potentially give some operating tips or just advice on the overall marketplace design. On top of this, it was rumoured in the past that Adam Arons and Ryan Cohen were discussing potential collaborative ideas in the future, and it seems like this is an excellent opportunity for them to collaborate. NFTs are something that's so popular with not only GameStop investors and GameStop customers, but also AMC investors and AMC customers as well, and that's something massive that both GameStop and AMC have in common. And this way, AMC can produce the NFTs and GameStop can be the marketplace that those NFTs are traded on. And I also want to talk about why Charles Gasparino couldn't be more wrong when he called AMC investors morons. As Frank says, the biggest joke on Wall Street, Charles Gasparino, recently called over 4 million AMC shareholders morons for their faith in the company. He says, "I've noticed that the largest money manager on the planet, BlackRock, and the best performing money manager on the planet, Renaissance Technologies, not only have huge positions in AMC, but also increased their positions recently as well. We may be morons, but we sure have good company." Now this is just a quick graphic which shows the institutional ownership of AMC through 2017, 2018 and 2019, which was fairly flat. It fell in 2020 as a result of the pandemic, but now has increased significantly. Looking at this graphic from the 13Fs, we can see that most of the adding to the AMC positions took place in the third quarter here, when AMC fell from around $60 down to around $20 to $30 a share. So not only were hedgies buying AMC up around $60, $70 a share, but they've also been buying all the way down towards $20 and $30 a share and continue to buy. Now we can see some major differences between the quarter 3 13F filings and the quarter 2 13F filings. Firstly, we can see more funds and more institutions holding AMC. Before, in quarter 2, only 292 institutions held AMC, now 313. They've also increased their overall ownership from around 130 million shares to around 160 million shares, increasing their ownership from around 25% to around 31%. We've got 80 new institutions taking a position in AMC. We've now got 131 institutions adding to their AMC position, whereas in quarter 2 only 83 institutions added. We've also got less institutions closing positions, down from 64 to 53, and also less institutions reducing their positions, down from 75 to only 49. Back in quarter 2, puts vastly outweighed the calls with 82 million puts to only 60 million calls. In quarter 3, calls and puts were equal, around 60 million options. And this just goes to show that we are absolutely not morons for continuing to hold AMC. Why? Because even the biggest hedgies and institutions have been buying AMC the whole time, even at $60 and $70 a share. Why would they be buying at $60 and $70 a share and continuing to add to their AMC position on the dip? Well, because they see AMC going even higher. Why do they see AMC going even higher? Well, because AMC could potentially be cash flow positive in quarter 4. AMC and Adam Arons said if the domestic box office numbers for October, November and December grossed $2 billion, it would be able to post positive cash flow in the 4th quarter. Looking at box office results, we are $100 million away, with 3 full days left. Comparing results from pre-pandemic, the last 3 days of the year generate between $30 to $50 million each. So that's potentially $150 million over those 3 days, which would meet the target of $100 million. I think that's definitely possible, especially with Spider-Man and The Matrix currently in cinemas. Looking at AMC's previous cash flow, the only year they generated a positive free cash flow was in 2019 with $60,000, so $60 million. If 2021 can be another positive free cash flow year, that would be absolutely incredible for AMC and could be the next catalyst that we need. I think this is one of the biggest reasons why institutions are buying more AMC. Historically, AMC hasn't been very cash generative, but this year could be the year. Guys, be sure to let me know down in the comments below what you think about the GameStop and AMC partnership with the NFT platform. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers.